Look no further than the 2022 Toyota Camry. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Find the sweet spot where luxury meets convenience when you take the wheel of this alluring, standard-setting Camry. It's the sedan designed around you, your comfort, your safety, your driving pleasure. You'll be amazed by its cutting-edge technology, fall in love with its exquisite looks, and be thrilled by its muscular power. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot, aggressively seductive, solidly practical. We can't wait to introduce you to this exquisite Camry. Come in today and let our knowledgeable staff put you in the driver's seat.